In this problem, they give us the information that an equation an equals 8 times quantity n minus 1 plus 20, and they give us n equals 1, 2, and 3. This says determine the sum of the first 15 terms of the sequence. So sum means addition, and I need to add up a list of numbers, the first 15 numbers. Well, they only give us 3 numbers, and the common mistake is to think the list of numbers is 1, 2, 3. This is not the numbers. This is telling you the term number. So the first term is, if you put in a 1 here, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 times 8 is 0, and then our first term is actually 20. Now I made this over here is because we're trying to find the 15th term, and the reason why I need the 15th term is I can use the arithmetic explicit formula to find the 15th term, and then I can use Gauss's or arithmetic finite series to now, I need the first and last term to actually add them all up. Now remember, it's not wrong if you get a list of numbers and then you just add them all up. It's not wrong. But if you have 15 numbers, you might make a common mistake. So this is telling you the first number on the list is 20, and then your difference, your common difference is you're adding 8. So this is my first number on the list, so that's my n value, right? That's 28, then 36, then 44, because we just keep adding 8. So if you use the arithmetic explicit formula, it's basically this formula here, and you're just putting in 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. 8 times 14 is 112. 112 plus the first term is 132. Raise your hand if you got 132. This is the 15th number in the list. Now with the 15th number in the list, notice here I could sit there and add them all together, but I can use Gauss's or arithmetic finite series. Arithmetic just means that we have you're adding. Finite means that although this list can go on forever, I'm just looking at the numbers, the first and the 15th number in the list. And it's a series, which just means that we're going to add those together. The formula is Sn equals n times quantity a1 plus an, all over 2. Our n value is 15 because it tells us to find the first 15 terms. A1 represents the first number in my list. An represents the what? Last term, which we need is the 15th number, which is 132. Add those together, you get 152 using order of operations. Then I multiply and then divide. My answer is 1,140. Raise your hand if you got that.